In this video, I'm going to show you a simple way how you can start earning $300 every single day by sharing other people's YouTube videos. That's right. You share other people's content, you make money. It's really that simple because we live in a world of entertainment and education. So whenever you can share good content, if it's shareable, you can monetize that content even if it's content that you didn't personally create. Think about big sites like BuzzFeed, sites like Viral Nova. Most of the time they just share other people's content and put their own little spin on it. That's exactly what you're going to be able to do. So imagine running your own media empire, one-person media empire, making $300 to even $1,000 every single day. So how are we going to do this? We're going to do this with automated video sites. Now, if you follow my PLR Hustle Instagram account, you would know that I've been talking a lot about automated video sites. On July the 4th, you will be able to gain access to those automated video sites, but before you gain access to them, I'm going to show you exactly how they look, how they work, and how you can use them to make money. Now, even if you're a complete newbie, you can do this because basically all you're doing is sharing videos, giving it a little push, and just sitting back, relaxing while people checking out your videos on your website, they're clicking on ads and they're making purchases. Understand that this is next level powerful, and a lot of people don't talk about this, but I love to personally do it myself. I've been doing this kind of stuff for 10 plus years, so now it's time for you to get your hands on it as well. So if you're a person that hates creating content, you absolutely hate creating content, but you know you need to create content in order to even make money in 2022 and beyond, understand that this is perfect for you. You can gain access to an automated video site, and what that means is every single video on your website will be automated, fully automated. It's just hands off, it's done for you. This is something myself and my team is going to put together for you. We build the site completely for you so you won't have to do anything at all but simply share the videos and monetize the videos. Okay, so what you're looking at right now is one of the demo sites that I just created. The name of it is Talk Less, Earn More. Just something catchy that I wanted to come up with for demo purposes. So this is a video site that I created in the passive income space. So what we done is we created an automated video site focusing on pulling YouTube videos that's talking about passive income, pulling them onto our website, and this is all fully automated while we can simply monetize it. Now, there's a reason why YouTube got embeds on under videos in the share button, because they allow you to share them. But what people don't understand is if you figure out how to monetize other people's content, it's simple. You don't have to create content on your own. That's exactly what BuzzFeed, like I said, and Viral Nova, and all of these other big viral sites out there do, but they're just not telling you, of course, they're making millions and even billions of dollars while you're one of the people that's sharing some of their stuff. So this is exactly how you can get your piece of the pie. You can gain access to a niche targeted video site. People will share your content and you can monetize it. So as you can see, I have a nice banner ad right here, and if you scroll down, I have one right here as well. This is how the money is made. It doesn't matter if you sell ebooks, courses, physical products, or whatever it may be. No matter what you sell, you can make a killing with a niche targeted video site. Now, when we start churning these babies out, understand that we can create just about any niche. So if you're in the health and fitness niche, we can do it for you. If you're in the credit repair niche, we can do it for you. No matter what niche you are in, real estate or whatever it may be, we can create a niche targeted automated video site for you, so you will be able to simply focus on sharing content instead of selling stuff. Because think about this, whenever you share these videos right here, the products are going to sell themselves. That's exactly how the world's biggest media companies make money. Not from focusing on selling, but focusing on content. Think about CNN, think about Fox News, think about BuzzFeed, think about Vox Media, Vice Media. All of these companies, they simply share content and make money with ads, and you can do the very same. So let's check one of these videos out. Let's check them all out, actually. If you scroll down, all of this is automated. One day ago, one day ago, one day ago, one day ago. Every bit of this automated. We got 10 pages full of videos, and of course this is just one that was just started. Now imagine yours. If you're in the credit repair niche or whatever niche you may be in, you will have hundreds or even thousands of videos that people can just check out and watch the video right there on your site, click on an ad, purchase your product or whatever you may be offering. It's just a hands-off way to make a killing, so you don't have to worry about learning how to sell or any of that BS. You just focusing on sharing and people clicking on your ads and purchasing. That's all it is to it when you're running a media empire. So let me just click on one of these videos right here. I'll click on, let's say this one. Not only are you running your own media empire, but look how beautiful it is. Look at the little breathe and play button right here. So whenever you grab one of these video sites from my team, you will be able to get this premium customized video template as well. This is just not no ordinary video template. This is a premium customized template. So look how it's breathing right there. Got the nice big beautiful thumbnail right here. You can add a comment, you can watch later, you can do cinema mode, and check this out right here. Your viewers can also click on your ad right here as well. So if they're watching the video, they scroll down, they'll be able to click on your ad, and whenever they click the ad, they'll head over right on over to your website and purchase your ebook. And that's exactly how the money's made. So let's scroll down. If we go right here, we can see the banner right there as well. And it even got the recommendations like on YouTube and other big video sites where you may also like, and other passive income videos. So once I hit the play button, you're going to see exactly how the video plays.
I just saw this tweet recently.
Look how nice that looks.
To prevent war and conflict.
Let me pause that. Let me do cinema mode. Cinema mode right there blocks everything else out, so we can hit play.
We should have just given Vladimir
and
Putin
it just gives your people, it literally gives your viewers a very premium experience. They can hit the X button to go back, and they can go down and they can check out other videos. They check out other videos, they can add their comments, and you're building your own little ecosystem with your own niche targeted video site. This is next level powerful. Now let me show you what's going on over here. Let's say we share on Twitter, and once you share on Twitter, you know what you can do? You can start boosting that via Twitter ads. And that's exactly what I'm going to show you how to do. So not only will you get a niche targeted video site, but you're also going to learn how to see in hundreds, if not thousands of visitors your very first week of grabbing a video site. What I want to do is I wanted to show you guys what a lot of people don't talk about. This is how you make money without trying to sell, without using sales funnels, without doing any of that hard stuff, without doing Shopify stores and all of that. All you're doing is sharing other people's content and making money along the way. Now, if you're someone that will like one of these niche targeted, fully automated, done for you video sites, you definitely want to text in. If you're from a different country, you can shoot me an email. But the bottom line is July the 4th, these video sites will be up for grabs and you will be able to purchase one. Once again, it's a beautiful premium theme like you see, and you will be able to earn a very nice income by simply sharing the videos, and I'm going to show you how to promote it with paid ads, of course, but sharing the videos and making money from ad revenue. Not only that, if you're with any ad networks that don't require purchases, just simple clicks or whatever it may be, it can be, let's say, Google AdSense or whatever it may be. You can also use other ad networks. Now, I've never used Google Ads on one of these video sites, but I've used other ad networks where people don't even got to click on here and purchase an ebook right here. They can simply click on the ad and I get paid for every click. But understand, if you sell ebooks, if you sell courses, or whatever you may sell, you will have a video site that will basically do the selling for you. These are some very good videos right here that's being automated. Since this is very good content that's been automated onto your website, people are going to want to look around, and when they scroll down and before they even get to you may also like, they're going to see 1-2 banners right here on the side, and you can do your banners however you like it. And of course, I'm going to walk you through all of that. You're going to get training with it. You're going to get everything you need to know to fire your automated video site up week 1 and start churning like crazy. This is what I wanted to do. I wanted to create this video to not only tell you that these sites are on the way. They're going to be up for grabs for so long, but you will be able to get your hands on it if you are one of so many people to grab them. But I just wanted to make this video to let you know how people are killing it online without even trying to sell. Like I mentioned, Vox Media, Vice Media, and all these big companies, they're making a killing online but just by simply creating content sites, and you can do the very same. If you like this video, comment below, let me know what you thought about it. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet, and I will catch you very soon in my next video.